Hi, in this short video I am giving a glance on the Unistring R&D company software development aspect. So what software technologies we are into and how the softwares that we are developing are related to the core courses that you do in software, both in your undergrad program and your postgrad programs. So this is our second premises, R&D center, where we do most of the software and embedded activities. So the video in which I have shown the capabilities of Unistring in developing the digital hardware, RF hardware, antenna arrays for the military equipment, more or less these are all the circuits. They require a rich amount of signal processing logic and a real-time implementation, because most of these military applications do demand wide bandwidth and the high data rate applications. So we use FPGA as our key subsystem. So let me take you to one of the lab where we develop and where we actually test rigorously FPGA based systems. So these are the systems like what I have shown in the previous video, where our hardware capabilities are span across developing the digital FPGA boards, multi-layer FPGA boards up to 18 layers with the zinc FPGAs. So the team developed the software here. So mostly our software is like an embedded, except that GUI development team, which I'll tell at the end, that is C++ coding. Most of the software, our work is in building the real-time signal processing algorithms for signal detection, signal direction finding, modulations, demodulations, decoding. These all happen real-time in FPGA. So we write VHDL code, and using the Xilinx tools, we program onto the Xilinx FPGAs and test. So for testing, as you know, you require all the Z-tanks of this one, and also you need spectrum analyzers, because the FPGA ADC DAC, when you want to test, you should be able to check the analog signals also. So this is where most of our development happens related to the FPGAs real time. So I'll take you next. So our next critical division is signal processing. So we developed the signal processing algorithms related to electronic warfare, mainly what you call array signal processing, that related to the detection, direction finding, location fixing. So once we initially conceptualize the algorithm, based upon the necessity, the real-time performance that is needed, either we implement VHDL based implementation or embedded implementation on DSP processors, i7 or i5 kind of SBCs. So this is our DSP signal processing division. So they develop the algorithms before they go to the implementation level. So the initial algorithm conceptualization is their part. Half of our software staff are related to C coding or C++ coding, that is embedded C coding or C++ coding. So we develop the algorithm in mostly Linux based operating system, but some of our products are also onto Windows based. And once the embedded logic is running in the single board computers, for the operators to get a rugged display, so they use the rugged displays in which we run this software with C++ and build the GUI, graphical user interface, where maps and other display related aspects are taken care. So in a nutshell, the Unistring R&D is capable of delivering the different systems, where the core three programming languages that we use: C for embedded, writing onto the zinc inside ARM9 or on the single board computers; VHDL, where we write the code for FPGAs for real-time implementation of signal processing, data paths and all; and C++ that we use for graphical user interface. Thank you.